Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Aransas Pass, Texas, a coastal city on the Gulf of Mexico where 3 counties meet: Aransas, San Patricio, and Nueces. You'll find Aransas Pass tucked along the shores of Redfish Bay, about 20 miles northeast of Corpus Christi, in the region locals call the Coastal Bend. The city had just under 8,000 people at the 2020 census. The name comes from a natural waterway called the Aransas Pass, a tidal channel that links the Gulf to inland bays. Spanish mapmakers spelled it Aranzazu before it became Aransas on later charts, and that name stuck to both the pass and the town that grew near it. Aransas Pass was formally laid out in the early 1900s and developed as a fishing and shrimping hub, with rail and port plans drawing settlers and industry. Its economy has always leaned on the water. Commercial fishing, boating, and access to the Gulf define the town's character. Today, Aransas Pass is known for its harbor, coastal lifestyle, and connection by causeway and free ferry to Mustang Island and Port Aransas. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Aransas Pass, Texas.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.